Today, we're excited to share some groundbreaking news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Get ready to explore the latest design changes that will take your mobile experience to the next level. According to recent rumors, Samsung is revamping the internals design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, breaking the mold of the previous 3 years. The focus has shifted from software development to significant hardware modifications. We believe Samsung has addressed the annoying large middle frame issue, making the devices with similar to the S24, resulting in thinner visual bezels. Ice Universe reveals that the middle frame of the S25 Ultra is asymmetrical, with a rounded edge near the back cover and a straighter edge near the screen. This innovative design element will surely set the S25 Ultra apart from its predecessors. With these design changes, we can expect a more seamless user experience, improved aesthetics, and possibly even enhanced performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a game-changer in the world of smartphones. According to an internal source, the S25 Ultra will boast incredibly thin bezels, hinting at the adoption of new display technology, possibly the M14. This cutting-edge tech will increase the screen's brightness to a staggering 3000 nits, making your visuals more vibrant than ever. Ice Universe reveals that the S22, S23, and S24 Ultra's internals will also receive updates. And in a surprise move, Samsung is bringing back the 16GB RAM option on the S25 Ultra. However, this option will depend on your chosen storage capacity: 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB. Samsung's cost-grading method plays a significant role in not offering the 16GB RAM option across all devices. But as a bonus, the S21 Ultra already features a 16GB RAM option, making this a welcome return. Remember, the 16GB RAM option will be available depending on your storage choice. We thought Samsung would revolutionize battery life with stack battery technology, increasing capacity by 10% to 5,500 mAh. However, Ice Universe confirms that the S25 Ultra will stick to the same 5,000 mAh battery as the previous 2 years. This raises concerns about battery life, especially with the power-hungry Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's performance numbers have me worried about the S25 Ultra's battery life. To keep up, manufacturers are already working on larger batteries, with a minimum capacity of 5,500 mAh. Will Samsung follow suit? Now it's your turn. Share your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery life and Samsung's surprising decisions. Let us know in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more tech updates and insights. Peace out! That's it for today's update on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Stay tuned for more tech news and analysis. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.